Hey guys, it's the second week in December, and if you go to the University of Missouri, you know what that means. It's finals week! Today I'm here to talk to you about chemistry, and not just any chemistry. I'm mostly going to be talking about solubility rules. And at least for me, solubility rules was one of the hardest things that I've had to memorize, and that the biggest thing that I've had trouble with in chemistry. I'm in Chem 1 here at Mizzou for my first semester, and our final for chemistry is Thursday night, so I thought I'd make this video to hopefully help a few of you out there work on your solubility rules and find a way to memorize it, because I have a good way to memorize your soluble compounds. Disclaimer, these are solubility rules for common ionic compounds in water at 25 degrees Celsius. So I didn't come up with this acronym, and I haven't looked online for it, but my lab partner in chemistry claims to have come up with this. His name is Matt, and he's come up with this acronym to help you remember your soluble compounds. Now this acronym is ABS CAN HAP. ABS CAN HAP. ABS CAN HAP. Now each one of these letters in this acronym stands for a different compound that's soluble. Now the first A stands for alkali metal ions, and that's everything in the first group of the periodic table. The B stands for bicarbonates, and the S stands for sulfates. In the word CAN we have C for chlorates, A for ammonium, and N for nitrates. And for HAP we have halides, acetates, and perchlorates. The only thing you have to be careful about is the sulfates and the halides, because both of these categories have exceptions to them. Now if the sulfate or the halide compound contains either silver plus, lead 2 plus, or mercury 2 plus, it will be an insoluble compound. Sulfates will also be insoluble if they contain any of the additional ions of calcium 2 plus, strontium 2 plus, or barium 2 plus. Because of these exceptions, sulfates and halides you have to watch out on, because there are those exceptions that you need to be aware of. So, as a review, our acronym is ABS CAN HAP. The A stands for alkali metal ions, the B stands for bicarbonates, the S stands for sulfates, the C stands for chlorates, the A stands for ammonium, and the N stands for nitrates. The H stands for halides, the A stands for acetates, and the P stands for perchlorates. Now if you're lucky enough to get a cheat sheet on your final, all you have to do is write these down and remember what they are, including the exceptions. But if you can't, all you gotta do is remember ABS CAN HAP. I hope this helps you with your chemistry knowledge, and I'll see you guys next week.
You are getting very sleepy.
Wait, move your leg as back far as you can. Okay.
They have to hold it.